You step on the accelerator to merge into fast-moving highway traffic, but instead of a smooth surge of power, your car completely ignores you and goes into a terrifying limp mode. If you see a code P2128 on your scanner, your engine is dealing with a high input voltage on the throttle position sensor E-circuit. This code only shows up on modern vehicles that use a drive-by-wire system, meaning there is no physical cable connecting your foot to the engine. Instead, your gas pedal and the throttle body use electronic sensors called potentiometers. Think of these like a volume knob on an old radio. As you push the pedal, a little arm slides across a circuit board, changing the electrical resistance and sending a signal back to the PCM. This tells the computer exactly how much air you want to let into the engine so it can spray the perfect amount of fuel. When the computer sees a voltage signal that is higher than the programmed limit for a long time, it panics. It thinks the throttle might be stuck wide open, so it cuts your power way back to keep you safe. You'll feel limited acceleration, a rough idle, or your cruise control might just stop working entirely. Before you go out and buy a brand new throttle body assembly, which can be pretty pricey, you should do a quick visual check. Pop the hood and look for any massive carbon buildup around the throttle plate. Sometimes, so much gunk builds up that it physically holds the plate open, tricking the sensor into sending that high voltage signal. Grab some throttle body cleaner and a rag to wipe that out first. If it is clean, the problem is likely electrical. Check the connectors for any green corrosion that might be bridging the pins and causing a short. These sensors usually get a steady 5-volt reference signal. If you use a multimeter to watch the signal as you slowly push the pedal down with the engine off, you should see a nice, smooth voltage sweep from about 0.5 volts all the way up to 4.5 volts. If it suddenly spikes or stays stuck at the top, the sensor is toast. Just keep in mind that some manufacturers want you to replace the whole throttle body and the pedal sensor together to keep everything calibrated, so check your service manual before you start unbolting things.